It's that magical time of year again. Twinkling lights, cozy evenings, and the faint smell of cookies wafting in the kitchen. But let's be honest, decking the halls can feel more like wrecking the budget. Fear not, festive friend. With a sprinkle of creativity and a dash of holiday cheer, you can transform your home into a winter wonderland without melting the wallet. Number 1, raid your pantry for decor. Who needs expensive garlands when your pantry is a treasure trove? String popcorn and cranberries for a classic rustic garland that smells as festive as it looks. Got cinnamon sticks? Tie them together with twine and hang them on the tree for a cozy aromatic touch. Bonus points if you sneak a marshmallow or two while stringing. Number 2, do-it-yourself ornaments with a personal touch. Gather the kids, grandkids, or even your pups. Mini dachshunds can be creative too. And have a do-it-yourself ornament session. Using salt, dough, glitter, and cookie cutters to make your keepsakes you'll cherish. Don't forget to date them. Future you will thank yourself for the nostalgia. Number 3, nature walk wonders. Take a stroll through your neighborhood or local park and collect pine cones, branches, and greenery. Spray paint the pine cones gold or silver for a chic touch, or leave them in the natural state for a rustic vibe. Arrange branches in a vase, hang a few ornaments, and viola, instant festive centerpiece. Number 4, dollar store magic. Don't underestimate the power of the dollar store. From mini trees to fairy lights, you'll find affordable treasures to sprinkle Christmas cheer throughout your home. Pro tip, stock up on plain ornaments and customize them with paint, glitter, or ribbon. Number 5, repurpose and reimagine. Look around your home for items you can give a festive makeover. Wrap books in holiday paper and stack them for decorative gifts. Use mason jars as candle holders or snow globes by filling them with fake snow and small figurines. Old sweaters? Cut them up and use the fabric to cozy up candle holders or make a tree skirt. Number 6, light up the night. Nothing screams Christmas like twinkling lights, and a little goes a long way. Drape lights over your mantel, wrap them around a ladder, instant quirky tree alternative, or string them along windows to brighten your space and your mood. Number 7, keep it minimal but merry. Sometimes less is more. Focus on the key areas like a tree, mantel, or dining table. A simple wreath on the door, a festive throw on the couch, and a bowl of shiny ornaments on the coffee table can pack a big holiday punch. As you cozy up to your beautifully budgeted holiday home, sipping cocoa and admiring your festive handiwork, take a moment to reflect. If you're decorating a space that doesn't quite feel like home, let's change that. Whether it's a bigger tree you're dreaming of or simply a kitchen worthy of hosting the annual cookie bake-off, I'm here to help. As your Space Coast Realtor and biggest fan of the Mini Dachshund, I'll find you the perfect place to celebrate many more Christmases to come. Ready to deck new halls? Let's chat. Now that your indoor space is a holiday masterpiece, it's time to spread cheer to your outdoor spaces. Let your neighbors feel the holiday magic without cringing at your electric bill or your spending habits. These budget-friendly outdoor decorating ideas will make your home the star of the block. Number 1, turn everyday items into festive features. Have planters or pots on your porch? Fill them with branches, pine cones, and ornaments for a festive arrangement. Got an old sled or pair of ice skates? Set them up with some greenery and a bow for vintage charm. Even a simple wood crate can transform into a winter wonderland with some fake snow and a few ornaments. Number 2, go big with bows. A roll of outdoor ribbon can go a long way. Tie big, colorful bows around porch railings, lampposts, or even your mailbox. It's an easy, inexpensive way to add a pop of holiday cheer without the hassle of stringing lights everywhere. Number 3, do-it-yourself yard decorations. Channel your inner Clark Griswold. On a budget, of course. Cut Christmas shapes like stars, trees, or snowflakes out of cardboard or plywood. Paint them with weatherproof paint and prop them in your yard or hang them from the trees. Add reflective tape for a little sparkle at night. Number 4. Festive door decor. Make your front door the focal point of your outdoor setup. Wreaths are classic, but why stop there? Wrap the door frame in garland, string it with lights, or hang ornaments for an inviting entrance. You can even make your door look like a giant present with wrapping paper and ribbon. Number 5. Light it up strategically. No need to cover every inch of your home in lights. Focus on highlighting key areas like windows, the porch, or a single tree in your yard. LED string lights are energy efficient and affordable, and solar-powered lights can save you even more. Number 6. Create a do-it-yourself luminary pathway. Line your walkway or driveway with luminaries. Use mason jars or paper bags filled with sand or small rocks to hold a tea light candle or battery-operated LED candles for safety. The simple, elegant touch will guide guests right up to your door with a warm holiday glow. Go natural with greenery. Drape inexpensive garlands or natural greenery around porch railings, staircases, and fences. Add pine cones, berries, or boughs for extra charm. If you've got extra Christmas tree clippings, use them to spruce up your outdoor spaces. Literally. And number 8. Highlight what you have. If you have a porch swing or rocking chair, dress it up with a cozy blanket and a couple of weatherproof pillows in holiday patterns. Hang oversized ornaments from trees or shepherd's hooks in your yard for an unexpected festive touch. With your outdoor space twinkling and cheerful, your home will be the talk of the neighborhood, and your holiday spirit will be shining just as brightly as your lights. But if your current house isn't giving you the holly jolly vibes you deserve, it might be time for a change. Let me, your favorite Space Coast realtor, find you a home that's perfect for every holiday season, complete with a yard that's practically begging for Christmas inflatables. Whether it's cozy charm or sprawling elegance you're after, I'll help you find a space that you'll love to call home. The best gift you can give yourself this year, a home you'll cherish for many Christmases to come. Let's make it happen.